I have been on YouTube creating content for 6 years and your girl is still not monetized. Let's get into it. I posted my very first video March 1st of 2020 before the whole world shut down. I actually did it in support of a client. I had a client that I was working with, a therapy client, and she really wanted to start a YouTube channel. And I thought, how hard could it be? If I start one, will you start one? She said yes. I said bet. I posted my first video, literally called my first video. And then we know the world shut down and I thought, how could I use my platform to help people? Have it be like a self-help channel. I created anxiety around the pandemic and that video popped off. It took off. I'm like, YouTube is so fun and exciting. And over the years, my channel has had a lot of pivots and a lot of changes. And let me just get into some of the stats that I have done so far. I have posted over 1,000 videos on YouTube, mainly shorts and a lot of long form content. In the last 6 years, I've had almost 1 million views, 900,000, 888,000 views. I've had 14,000 hours of watch time and 4,000 subscribers. But here's the kicker. In order to get monetized, you have to have 4,000 watch hours within 12 months. The last 12 months, I've had 500,000 views, but shorts do not count as watch hours. I only have 3,000 hours in watch time and I've gained 1,000 subscribers in the last year. So what would you do if you were in my position? Would you keep posting? I mean, obviously I'm posting for free and I love that. I love creating content. Or would you pivot? I'm at the point where I think I need to pivot. And here is where it's so exciting. I am a Gemini, and in true Gemini energy, there's the twin energy. There's like one and the other. I love sharing lifestyle content, vlogs, travel, come to Disney with me, my wellness hacks. I also love helping women. I'm a therapist, life coach. I love helping women grow, elevate, expand, heal their nervous system so they can go after their own goals and dreams. YouTube does not like that I have two competing energies, identities on one platform. And let me get into it. So all of my self-help personal development videos from just this year alone cap around 35, 40 views with 4,000 subscribers. So my last personal development video got 58 views, 44 views, 28 views. My self-help videos are not getting seen, but my vlog content is doing really well. My most recent one was me at Disney. That got 200 views. When I spent the night in the Seattle airport, that got over 300 views. My Disney content does really well. So I've decided I'm going to work with the algorithm and give the algorithm what it wants. I am no longer going to be posting my personal development or self-help content on this channel. I'm going to pivot. We're going to move everything over into my business side. And my business name is The Tapping Studio. It's EFT Tapping for ambitious women who want to expand and elevate their nervous system to match their ambition. So if you experience stress, anxiety, you name it, you need to train your nervous system for more. And that entire channel is going to help women elevate and expand, heal their nervous system so they can have a nervous system that matches their ambition. But I'm a creator at heart. I love creating. When I was a little girl, I had this pretend cooking channel. I used to pretend that the oven was my cooking channel and it was as easy. Cooking is as easy as 1, 2, 3. And so I thought, I've already been posting for 6 years. I'm not monetized. Why not keep posting my personal content on my name, Alyssa Cotten? So here you will find my travel vlogs, day in the life with me, short form content, long form content, hotel room tours, you name it. All the stuff that involves like my lifestyle is going to be on this page. Anything that involves you, your personal development, your expansion, your up level is going to be on the new page, The Tapping Studio. And the first video is already live. So make sure you go down in the link below to subscribe and check it out. I'm not using this as a reason to feel bad about myself that I've been on YouTube for 6 years and I haven't been monetized. I'm taking this time and reflection to see if I want to grow as a creator, as a YouTuber, then I need to recognize that the algorithm is not pushing out my self-help content. It's not pushing out my personal development content because it perceives my channel as like a lifestyle channel where I all of my travel videos, they get pushed out to the algorithm. So instead of giving up, because I did think maybe I would just collapse all of my personal development into one and I wouldn't do any lifestyle content. But like I said, in true Gemini fashion, both worlds get to exist. Alyssa, the creator, and Alyssa, the businesswoman, the CEO, the founder of the Tapping Studio, the app. Get your free sessions, download the app. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you a YouTuber? Are you growing your channel? Are you monetized? Have you been following my journey for a while? I'd love to know like where you're at, what you're experiencing down in the comment section below. But so many new things are happening and they're unfolding, so definitely go subscribe to my new channel. I'm not going anywhere. Like, I work for myself and higher self God. I don't work for the algorithm. Therefore, we're just going to pivot a little bit. We're going to do our tapping studio for personal development, self-help, and we're going to keep Alyssa Cotten as lifestyle, travel, vlogs, and everything else under the sun. If you have any suggestions for personal development or even things that you want to see on this channel, let me know down in the comment section below. And I'm so grateful to have you a part of this journey, and I will catch you in the next video.